Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively replace the charging port. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will prevent any electrical issues during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors as you do this. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Locate the charging port, which is typically situated near the power input area. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris around the area to ensure a smooth installation of the new port. Now you will need to disconnect the old charging port. Look for any screws or clips holding it in place. Remove these carefully and gently pull the port away from the motherboard. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any additional screws or connectors that may be holding it in place. Once the old port is removed, take your new charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our collection and delivery at your home service can make this process easier for you. Secure the new port in place with the screws you previously removed. Ensure it is firmly attached, as a loose connection can lead to further issues. After securing the new charging port, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. Before powering on your laptop, it's advisable to check that everything is in order. If you're unsure about any step, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding. Finally, reconnect the battery and power on your laptop. Test the new charging port with your charger to ensure it is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Our service includes no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get the help you need. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced the charging port on your HP 15-B025NS laptop. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.